we'll sing along. But first, let's take you on a journey of dreams. Welcome, dear parents, teachers, and friends. Today, we bring you a special fashion show. We may be tiny now, but one day, we'll grow up and choose our own paths. And when that day comes, we hope you will stand by us, not just to take our pictures, but to cheer for us, support us, and believe in us. Some of us might make it big, and some of us might do small things. But hey, every job matters, because even the biggest stars need someone to shine their shoes. So, whatever we become, all we need is your love, your guidance, and maybe a few chocolates along the way. Now, let's meet our future stars. Flying high in the sky, Manu and Lokito are our proud pilots. Ready to take us around the world? Fasten your seatbelts, because these two are cleared for takeoff. Here comes Katoka and Tushimanen, our fearless police officers. Criminals, beware. They might still be learning to spell arrest, but they sure know how to catch the bad guy. Standing tall and proud, Higekibi is a brave army officer with courage in his heart and a toy gun in his hand. He's here to protect our nation. Dressed in blue, Lisa is our caring surgeon. Don't worry, parents, her surgeries are limited to teddy bears for now. With warm smiles and kind hearts, Olivia and Lemchadla are our lovely nurses. Band-aids and herbs included for free. Dancing to the rhythm of their dreams, Kitina and Bokika are our graceful dancers. Watch out! Bollywood, here they come! Welcoming us on board, Elena and Clara are our charming air hostesses. They promise the best service, but only if you give them extra snacks. Brave and strong, Kapivi and Nuchet are our firefighters. They're ready to put out fires, but also start a few dance fires on the floor. Bringing fresh veggies straight from the farm, Inoke and Bahong are our hard-working vegetable vendors. Healthy eating starts today. No excuses. Driving us safely to our destination, Yuntet is a responsible bus driver. But be warned, his road only stops at candy stores. Keeping our surroundings clean, Veronica is our dedicated sweeper, cleaning up today and possibly making a bigger mess leadership, Ikuka is a strong and steady captain. With him in charge, we'll never be lost unless it's time for homework. Shaping young minds, Iloke and Roshan are our wonderful teachers, teaching ABCs today and maybe rocket science tomorrow. With books in their hands, Imkong and Hinali are bright students. Watch out! World future! Genius is on the way! Exploring space, Mulong is our daring astronaut. The stars are ready for his awesomeness. And finally, with colors in hand, Tujin is our creative painter, turning the world into a masterpiece, one crayon at a time. No matter what we chose to be, big or small,